What's up, love? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, MissErinYvette. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing an Amazon try-on haul. I got some pieces sent to me, so I'm going to be trying them on with you guys. I absolutely love Amazon. If you've already been shopping on Amazon, let me know down below in the comments what you usually like to purchase as far as like clothing, shoes, bags, things like that. Because I'm really excited to see what we can cop on a budget. If you like saving a coin, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just dive right into it. So again, these pieces were sent to me, but of course your girl is going to give you the full 100% review. Right into it, I have this, what I like to call a jumper. Ever since YouTube, I have been exposed to some great, amazing international influencers, and if you know what the term jumper means, this is literally what I think of when I think of a jumper. It's a super thick, like cable knit type sweater. It's my favorite color, emerald green, but the best part is it comes in so many colors. I love that because how often do you find something you love but it doesn't come in the shade or the color that you want it to? So I love that Amazon kind of has you covered with that. And yeah, there's really not much to say about it. The quality is there for sure. I would give this an 8 out of 10. I love those wonky looking sweaters because when you put them on, they fit absolutely perfect. I don't know how to explain it. It is turtleneck approved, high neck, so if you live in the northern... Okay, she's a shedder. If you do live in the northern areas, this will be your best friend. You can layer this up with some tanks or a top underneath. And I think this is really just great for like us southern girls who like to have one of those fall or winter fits. However, I don't think this is going to give me a lot of wear considering I live in Florida. But if I should travel during the fall season, this will definitely be in my suitcase. So love this. Super cute. I would definitely wear this and some dark jeans. What I've been wanting, y'all, since we're here, is some faux leather or some leather pants. I would definitely pair this with that and some black boots. Super cute. I would wear that. The next thing I have is a hoodie. I feel like all of these are out of order. I'm planning on going on trips in 2022, so I definitely wanted a whole variety of just pieces that I can add to my collection. Staples, dress up, dress down, mix and match. And this is a go-to, okay? The airport fit, all right? I don't know if you're like me or any other girl nowadays, but you definitely have to have a fit when you're on your way to and fro the airport, all right? And so this right here is a beautiful mint color. I remember in my high school years back in the day, okay, back when I was coming up, mint green was the official it girl color, like for real. So I really just wanted to have a throwback moment. I don't remember the last time I wore mint green, and this color literally is gorgeous. I love it. So I got it. It's a high neck. It's giving me like faux Victoria's Secret pink vibes because I remember that collegiate collection. I actually got a lot of their pieces, and this is kind of the same design if you know what I'm talking about. It has a high zipper. It also allows you to tie around the neck area, so if you're walking in the cold for long periods of time, or like if you're walking back and forth between class, this is great because it kind of just keeps the wind from, you know, getting in those areas and freezing to death, all right? So I do love the high zipper, but I also love this pocket area is huge down here, and it's just perfect. It's one of those, I'll wear this to the airport, I can take it off, I have like a top underneath, it's great for layering, and I really like this. So this is gonna be my collection for a minute. Next thing that I got, I'm super excited about, it's giving me fall. It's giving me fall vibes. I really like this top. I'm a corduroy girl. I love texture, okay? Love velvet. I love all of that. So right here we have a corduroy top. It's a button up. I do love my button ups, and I do love that the buttons themselves are brown, so it kind of gives you that real warm like Thanksgiving vibe. When I saw this shirt, I was like, oh, I could wear this for Thanksgiving, but honestly this is given holiday season period because this is definitely a Christmas top, and I can even wear this on New Year's as well. It just depends on what you're doing. To me, I'm thinking of like a friend's night out, so either we're going bowling or we're going to Top Golf or something like that, and I could wear this nice as a throw over something super cute. So if I have on a corset or some high-waist jeans or some shorts or even like a two-piece set, this is a nice wrap around my waist or just throw over jacket, and I love the texture. I would slide up the sleeves and just wear a whole bunch of bangles, watches and things like that. So I really love this vibe. It's giving me a throwback but still modern. The next piece that I got, I absolutely love, and I'll probably be wearing her on Christmas. I'll try to insert a picture because I've seen this fit before and I'm like, oh my god, I would definitely recreate this fit if I had a hat. But this is just the vest. So I have I want to say this is like a cotton or a faux cotton type material. It's very, very stretchy. I believe it comes in a one size fits all because it definitely looks that way. But it's just a V-neck type cut top, and then it has like the patterning on the front. The sleeves are kind of long and open and wide, which I like, but I do just plan on putting either like a turtleneck underneath or like a white button up or something like that, and just wearing this with an artsy feel with a bold lip. It don't even matter the color. Red, velvets, reds, burgundies, magentas, hot pinks, it does not matter. Black, okay, a black lip, yes. With the hats, ooh, you could do a lot with this. So I love that I added this to my collection. I just need a hat because I feel like that's gonna finish my vibe. Speaking of vibes, I did want to get more things in my collection that were kind of a twist on basics. So I got this white top, super cute, and it's just your basic white top. You guys know how to pair a white top. We ain't gonna start with that. But, okay, the best part about this would be the arms. So you kind of have the elongated arms, but I love that it has this panel right here. So even though it is kind of like an open cut, it kind of gives it a little bit more polishedness to the look, because I've worn tops like this that have the long arms, and it's like, because I'm so slim, they just look so ill-fitted. It doesn't look right. So I hope that this kind of gives me, you know, the support that I'm going for, but nonetheless, this looks super polished, super cute, and I can't wait to wear this. It's the basic white top with a twist. Now, this jacket I am not a big fan of. To me, she looks kind of cheap. She's giving me a 4 out of 10. I just wanted to get the bad out of the way because I feel like there is something good to talk about. The color is gorgeous and the sizing is amazing. I'm one of those people, I would literally thrift something like this. So I'm not losing all hope for it, but it definitely is giving me something that I thrifted, not something that I purchased for intents, like on purpose. This was an accident purchase, okay? This was, I forgot it was in my basket and I was just trying to be creative. But anyway, I can do something with this. The question is, do I want to? So I do like this. I just feel like I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with it. Comment down below how I should wear this, or if I should throw it away. Should I give it away? What should I do with this? What do I do? Yeah, all right. So anyway. Well guys, that's everything that your girl got from Amazon. As mentioned, these pieces were sent to me, but I hope you guys did find a few pieces you were interested in trying out yourself. I will leave all the links to the pieces I just showed you down below. Let me know which was your favorite, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.